The new academic year has started, or it will start soon for you, and you are feeling very motivated and finally decided to be better. Here is how you can have the best start and be ahead of the competition. Reflection. Take a solid day to reflect on your previous academic year. What did you succeed in and what did you fail in? Self-reflection is the guiding book that will allow you to not only mature as a student, but also as a person. It is important to always reflect and learn from your mistakes, otherwise we will be repeating the year exactly like the previous one. To truly change, you must have the desire to change, because this motivation will only last for a few weeks before you return being back to the normal version of yourself. A reflection process which you can try as well is just asking yourself why for the events that happened. Why did I fail? Why did I get lazy? Why did I procrastinate? These will give you the reasons that you can start working on and ensure you start improving for the upcoming year. Goals. A goal is needed for direction, and this is where most people fail. People make goals to feel productive, not to be productive. And this is why they make superficial goals of becoming better or to go gym more often, and then 3 weeks later they return to being their own self. The key for a goal to actually work is clarity. The clearer the goal, the less likely you will be to drop it. Set up your major goal of the year and then divide it into smaller manageable goals and keep dividing those into even smaller ones. Make them super clear so you know exactly what you need to do, as if you were completing quests in a video game. Goals give us purpose, and a clear purpose is a lot easier to achieve than a vague one. Maintaining momentum. Everyone set goals, both winners and losers. Those who win, however, have systems that make them keep going so they do not fall off the momentum. Something I advise for keeping momentum is creating an anti-vision. Instead of your normal I want to do X, Y, and Z, think what the future would be if you did not do the necessary steps for your goal. Be detailed about it, and when you will realize how depressing and fearful your anti-vision becomes. Let this be your reality check, because nothing will change unless you are willing to change yourself. Maintaining momentum will be incredibly hard because your results will not be immediate, and that can be infuriating. The change in perspective here is the compounding effect, where each time you dedicate time to your goal, your hidden experience level increases, and one day all of it will compound to give a massive result. Just how you don't see your body changing after going to the gym only one time, you will not see your mind changing after only studying once. Keep putting in the reps and they will compound. Before I myself saw changes in grades, it took me months of hard work and improving my studying. It will happen, you just need to stick with it. Mindset. As I care enough for you, let me tell you something that contradicts the title. Do not try to be ahead of others, but rather be ahead of yourself. The world is not fair, and there will always be someone far better than you at something with a lot more luck. I am not saying to not aim high, but rather do not make the goal a result, because there will always be factors that will be out of your control for which you cannot do anything about it. Make the action the goal, which is something you will always have control. Pursue excellence in your actions and success will follow you. You deserve the consequences of your actions, so if you put in the work and learn smarter, then you will deserve to be the best student. On the other hand, if you procrastinate, be lazy, and blame everyone else but yourself, then you deserve the anti-vision that you have created earlier. Now that you know how to start the academic year the best way possible, let's transform you into that student. A popular, smart, ambitious, and likable student that everybody dreams of. So click here for a step-by-step guide. My name is Saeed, and it is my job to make you straight up better.